Welcome to Simple English Learning Process. Animal's name. Alpine goat. A French breed, famous for high milk production. Saanen goat. A Swiss white-colored breed, the highest milk-yielding goat. Toggenburg goat. Another Swiss dairy breed, known for high-fat milk. La Manche goat. A U.S. breed with very small or almost no ears, excellent for milk. Oberhasli goat. Brown-black colored Swiss breed, kept mainly for milk. Nubian, Anglo-Nubian, goat. A mix of English and African breeds, long ears, produces high-fat milk. Nigerian dwarf goat. Small in size, but produces rich milk with high butterfat content. Jamunpuri goat. India's largest dairy goat, used for both milk and meat. Beetle goat. A dairy breed from Pakistan, India, produces high-quality milk and meat. Barbary goat. A breed from India, Pakistan, known for milk and fast breeding. Angora goat. A Turkish breed, famous for producing mohair wool. Kashmir goat. A Himalayan region breed, produces fine cashmere wool. Pashmina goat. A famous wool breed from Kashmir. Pigora goat. A U.S. hybrid, Pygmy plus Angora, bred for fiber. Nigora goat. A Nigerian dwarf plus Angora mix, produces both milk and fiber. Haxi Cashmere goat. A Chinese breed, raised for cashmere wool. Changkhangi goat. A Ladakh, India, breed, produces fine pashmina wool. Dera Din Panah goat. A rare Pakistani breed, used for both milk and wool. Markhor, wild goat. The national animal of Pakistan, with long spiral horns and wool. Rove goat. A French breed, raised for both wool and meat. Pygmy goat. Small-sized, popular as a pet and also for milk. American pygmy goat. A U.S. variety of pygmy goats, mostly kept as pets. Kinder goat. A Nubian plus pygmy crossbreed, used for both milk and meat. Tennessee fainting goat, myotonic goat. A U.S. breed that faints due to muscle stiffness when startled. Guernsey goat. A golden-colored breed, good for both milk and pet keeping. Dwarf goat, West African dwarf. A small African breed, kept for both pets and milk. RD goat. A famous Saudi Arabian breed, raised for both milk and meat. Damascus goat, Shami. A breed from Syria, Lebanon, unique facial structure, produces high milk. Rajasthan Barbary goat. A small Indian breed, suitable for easy pet keeping. Thari goat. A breed from Sindh, Pakistan, used for both milk and as pets. Imagine an animal that has been with humans for thousands of years, giving us milk, meat, clothing, and yet surviving in the wild on its own. This is the goat, a creature that might seem ordinary to you, but is in fact truly extraordinary. In today's video, we're going to share some amazing and surprising facts about goats that you've probably never heard before. Goats are among the very first animals to ever be domesticated. Nearly 10,000 years ago in the Middle East, humans started keeping them. The oldest goat fossils have been discovered in Iran and Turkey. And here's something fascinating. Goats were the very first animals to be tamed for milk, even before cows. Today there are nearly 1 billion goats around the world, and they can be found on every continent, except Antarctica. Goats have rectangular-shaped pupils in their eyes, which allows them to see up to 320 degrees, giving them a nearly all-around view even behind them. Goats are also very intelligent and curious. They can learn to open doors, unlock latches, and even solve small puzzles. They are incredible mountain climbers. You've probably seen goats balancing on steep dams, cliffs, and dangerous rocky mountains with ease. And here's a wild fact. Goats can climb trees. Their balance is so strong that they can walk on branches and eat leaves. In Morocco, goats are often found perched on argan trees, hanging and munching happily. Goat milk is considered the most digestible milk in the world. It contains more calcium, potassium, and vitamin A than cow's milk. People who are allergic to cow milk often find goat milk much easier to digest. Goat milk is used to make cheeses all over the world, with the French chèvre being one of the most famous. And here's something you may not know. Goat milk naturally has a slightly sweet taste, which makes it different from cow milk. Jakrana goat. A Rajasthan, India, dairy breed, produces excellent milk. Osmanabadi goat. A Maharashtra, India, breed, used for both meat and milk. Gardi goat. A Himalayan breed, raised for both wool and milk. Attapadi black goat. A hardy black breed from Kerala, India, mostly for meat. Khari goat. A Nepali breed, raised for both meat and milk. Marwadi goat. A Rajasthan, India, breed, produces both wool and milk. Kuchi goat. A breed from Gujarat, India, with long ears and good milk production. Pakistani teddy goat. A small Pakistani breed, raised for meat and pet keeping. Boer goat. South Africa's most popular meat breed, very fast growth rate. Spanish goat. A hardy US breed, mainly raised for meat. Kiko goat. A New Zealand breed, fast-growing and excellent for meat. Savannah goat. A white-colored South African breed raised for meat. Black Bengal goat. A small Bangladeshi breed, famous for excellent meat quality. Verata goat. A Spanish breed, raised for both meat and milk. Kalahari red goat. A red-colored South African meat breed. Sirohi goat. A Rajasthan, India, breed, raised for both milk and meat. Malabari goat. A Kerala, India, breed, mostly kept for meat production. Kanni Adu goat. A hardy meat breed from Tamil Nadu, India, resistant to diseases. Goats are extremely social animals. If kept alone, they get depressed. That's why farmers always raise goats in groups. Each goat has its own unique voice, just like humans. A mother goat can easily recognize her kids bleating among dozens of others. Goats are also very playful. They jump, run around, and even play games like little children. And here's a heartwarming fact. When goats are happy, they actually dance. Their small hops and jumps are so joyful that anyone watching can't help but smile. The largest goat breed in the world is the Jamunpuri from India, which can grow as tall as a human being. The smallest goat is the Nigerian dwarf, standing at only 17 inches tall. One goat holds the record for producing the most milk in a single year, more than 3,000 liters. Then there are the famous fainting goats from Tennessee, a breed that, when startled, has muscles that temporarily freeze, causing them to fall over. That's why they are also called myotonic goats. And of course, the tree-climbing goats of Morocco have become a full tourist attraction, with people visiting just to watch them perched high in argan trees. Goats are not just animals. They are part of human civilization's story. They have given us food, clothing, and companionship from the wilds to modern cities. Their intelligence, adaptability, and friendliness make them one of the most amazing animals in the world. So next time you see a goat, don't think of it as just a simple farm animal. It's a creature that has been a part of human history for thousands of years. Which fact about goats did you find the most fascinating? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal stories. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click a bell icon.